In this video, I will show you how to get your API key from eToro. So if you want to connect eToro to external services and you want to use your API key to do that, here's how to get it. First, just open up the eToro app or website and head over to Settings. From within Settings, you want to click on the Trading section. In Trading, you will see a few things, but what you want to do is just scroll down, and here you will find API Key Management. Now you have two options. You have your public key right here, which you can just go and copy by clicking on the copy button, which copies your normal public key. Now if you click create your API key, what you can also do is create a custom key, which is what I recommend doing. So whatever service you are looking to integrate with, name the key that. Then for the environment, set it to real if you wanted to make actual trades in your actual eToro account with real money, and demo if you wanted to use demo money. I'll set it to real. Then you can do access permissions, so read and write access. Write is basically make trades, sell stuff, buy stuff. Read is just seeing what is already in your account. So if it's just for analytics, for example, it doesn't need to write, it just needs to read. But if what you're integrating with needs to actually make purchases and send sell orders, stuff like that, then you also want to do write. So from there you can set an expiration date if you want, and then just click generate key. Then verify it's you by entering the code sent to your phone number, and from there you will then get your API key and you'll find it here under generated keys. So now you know how to get your eToro API key. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.